In Microsoft Excel, when working with text data, a common task is to make the data consistent by capitalizing the first letter of each word in a cell. Excel provides a formula to capitalize the first letter of each word. Click on any blank cell next to your data range. Type the formula as shown and press Enter. This will capitalize the first letter of each word of the reference cell. Expand the formula to apply it to the respective rows. Once you have the desired result, you can copy the cells with the formula and paste them as values in the original cells. Note that the proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word and changes the rest to lowercase.